Welcome back. So the SGX Nifty is telling us that we'll have sort of bunched up positive cues that we'll react to, and therefore the color remains green on this one. And one reason that could power through the bull charge today, of course, is HDFC Bank. The bank delivered a pretty strong set of earnings for the second quarter. The CASA ratio also, by the way, is at an 18-quarter high. Obviously, we've been talking a lot about the asset quality, which has shown some improvement. And the net interest margins largely stable. But let's take this to CG Phillips, Senior Research Analyst at Axis Securities, and find out what her take is on the numbers. CG, I think what struck a lot of people was the extremely optimistic commentary on growth. Of course, the numbers for Q2 as well on advances, what they're saying about disbursals in September. Your first thoughts?
So the commentary on the overall growth in the loan book is very positive. The management has highlighted that pickup could be seen in the retail, SME, commercial from here onwards. Things like, the segments like auto loans where the industry itself is underperforming, but the bank has done pretty well on that front also. And as we move into H2 FY22, the growth will gradually pick up and would be better than the first half of FY22.
CG, hi, morning. So, is the HDFC Bank generally is a barometer of what other private sector banks do as well? The sentiment rubs off. Is it just an HDFC Bank specific thing this time, or do you think that the rest of the pack could also report strong numbers, especially as far as rural or auto loans are concerned? And what would your pecking order be now in the private sector banking space?
So HDFC Bank has been the bellwether for private banks. But as we see, as the festive demand is coming forth, we could see a lot of large banks performing particularly well. Since retail is the main loan segment for these type of banks. So we feel that besides HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI Bank would be the key beneficiaries in the demand which is going to pick up.
Now, CG, the question is how much of this is already in the price or is there sort of a huge rally that opens up given the strong commentary? What do you think of HDFC Bank? What is your own target price, of course? And what's your pecking order when you're talking about the larger names?
So for HDFC Bank, we have given a price to book of 3.9 for FY23, and we expect a target price of 1935, which is almost a 15% upside from CNP. The other two banks which we are particularly positive on are SBI and ICICI Bank. So in case of ICICI and SBI, the main positive would be that the valuations are still at a comfortable level, especially in case of SBI and ICICI Bank. Because one thing we have to keep in mind also that the corporate loan segment has yet to pick up in a big way. So once the economic growth slowly, gradually picks up, and we could see the growth parameters on these segments to actually improve going forward. So this could be another positive which would come in these kind of banks.
All right, Siji, we'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot for joining us. So that's the word coming in as far as HDFC Bank is concerned. Not only did the company beat street estimates and asset quality has been stable, but the management commentary has been very strong. Particularly the retail growth has been strong. Auto loans have picked up quite a bit as well. Let's do one thing. Let's take a quick commercial break.